this session I am going to explain a formula named TRUNC, TRUNC. So this formula, it is used to remove the decimal digits in an integer, right? Remove the decimal digit in a number, right? So let's see. Just click over here and you can see home. Just click on formulas and scroll down and you will find math trig, alright? So do you see math trig? That's the one you need to select. I select it and then just scroll down, you will find there is a formula named TRUNC, TRUNC, right? I have pointed out using the arrow mark, right? Select it. You can see the pattern formula, the rule. We need to give the number, whatever the number, right? And then whatever the actual value that we want to have, that number can be given, that value can be given, and then that value should have some, that value may have some decimal numbers or may not have some decimal numbers. In case if it does have decimal numbers, in that case we may need to use this TRUNC formula to remove the decimal digits. Alright, so to have the limited, to have the desired number of decimal digits. Alright, this TRUNC formula is used to have the desired number of decimal numbers. Right, so this TRUNC formula is used to this TRUNC formula, it is used to have the desired number of decimal digits, right? So here I give, first we need to give the actual value. The value is, I give 3, right, and then 9. And then the num digit, that's the next, so how many decimal points, how many decimal digits we want to have. So after that, so for example we have 3, 9, let me give it here, I have it to complete, 39.2521423233, alright. So that's a number. So this is the actual value, alright, and then so this is the actual value, alright, 39.2521423323. So in this, after the point, the decimal decimal numbers, you can it does have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, alright. So if I want to have 2 numbers or 3 numbers, whatever the desired number, desired digital number I want to have, in that case we can make use of this TRUNC formula. Okay, so what I do, the first TRUNC formula, in TRUNC formula, equal TRUNC, we need to key in TRUNC TRUNC and then open parenthesis, and then whatever the value we want to have, the desired decimal numbers, we need to key in the value, and then num digits. So in this num digits, if I give 2, alright, so then the decimal point would be limited to 2, I mean 39.25, alright. So let me click on this tick so that the result would be 39.25. Just check, see, now it shows the result is See 39.25. Why? Because 39.25. Why it is limited to 0.25? Because we have given the dig num in the trunk formula 2. If I give it 3, then it will have 39.254, right? 252. Okay, 3 numbers would be there after the decimal. So let's see that. So this is the formula where I give 3, and then I close the parenthesis. Now it will have the result would be 39.252. All right. Why? Because the value I have given in the trunk formula is 39.25214233, and then the dig num after the comma I have given 3. So it will take it will have 3 decimal numbers. All right. After the point, it will have 3 decimal digits. All right. So let me click OK. Click. Now you can see this. See, now you see 39. I have showed the number using the arrow mark. Just see that 39.252. Alright, so if you want to have 4 after the point, if you want to have after the decimal point, if you want to have 4 numbers, then we need to give 4 as a num digit. Alright, so in this way it works. Alright, so that's it. So in this session we got to know a formula named TRUNC that is used to truncate the decimal numbers. I mean, that is used to have that help us to have the desired number of decimal digits. All right. So that's for the session. Thanks for watching. Bye.